How to create Google Ads promotions that work. In this video, we'll guide you through some essential steps to create effective Google Ads promotions that really deliver results. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing professional, these tips will help you optimize your campaigns and reach your target audience. First, start by defining your goals. Clearly determine what you want to achieve with your Google Ads, whether it's driving traffic to your website, increasing sales, or boosting brand awareness. Well defined goals will guide your entire ad campaign strategy. Next, know your audience. Take the time to research and understand who your target customers are. By identifying their needs, interests, and online behaviors, you'll be able to tailor your Google Ads to connect with them more effectively. Now, let's talk about keywords. Conduct thorough keyword research to find the right terms your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to discover relevant and high-performing keywords. Remember to consider both broad and long-tail keywords to capture a wider audience while maintaining specificity. Crafting compelling ad copy is crucial. Ensure your headlines are attention-grabbing and your descriptions are persuasive. Highlight your unique selling proposition and include a clear call to action to entice viewers to click through. Optimizing your landing page is just as important. Ensure that the page your audience lands on is relevant to the ad and offers a seamless user experience. Faster loading times, mobile friendliness, and straightforward navigation can significantly impact conversion rates. Take advantage of ad extensions. Features like site link extensions, call buttons, and location information can enhance your ad's visibility and provide additional ways for potential customers to engage with your business. Finally, continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns.